Hello and welcome friends. Today we are going to learn about the pin tab feature in the Chrome browser. So in the same video we will learn about pin tab feature. So basically we have to click on the Chrome browser. We have to open the Chrome browser first. So we have opened the Chrome browser. We just type one of the famous website from the cricket. Basically everybody is cricket fan, so I just take this example to show you how exactly the pin tab works in Chrome browser. So I'm just going to the CricBuzz. Now click on the live score and basically I'm searching for today's match. So there is one match, Mysore Warriors versus Shivamogga Lions. So in normal scenario I just go through this path, just go through almost, you can see that 5 to 6 clicks I have clicked to go to this page. And every time, suppose realize that if there is a test match going on between India and some other countries, and if you are a big fan of cricket and you want to see every update, every commentary or every ball update, each and every ball update on this CricBuzz, so you want to just open again and again every time whenever you close the Chrome browser. So first day is gone, again you have to click on the CricBuzz and everything go to the live score. Instead of that, you can just right click on the tab that you have opened, just pin that tab. Now look at this. This is the way it reduces its size of the tab also. So basically if your boss is right or left side of your seat, and you want to hide the things that you are seeing watching the scores, you can hide these things, because if you tooltip this tab, you can see the scoreboard also, live scoreboard. This match is currently not live, so you cannot see the same thing, live scoreboard. So basically look at this, the size of the tab is reduced, which is really good, a really pretty feature. And basically if you close this browser, so I'm going to close this browser right now. I have closed it, and look at this. If I click on the Chrome browser again, now look at that, the same pin tab is automatically reloaded with the same page. So there is no need to waste the time in opening the same website or same pages and click through that website for 4 or 5 or 6 times. Instead of that, this feature will generate the same link, whatever given link will open for you automatically. For even if you restarted your PC, this feature will give you the same feature of restarting that pin tab for you automatically. Basically you can use it for anything, not just for cricket. I'm just taking an example of cricket. You can if you go if you wanted any website on a regular basis, you can use this feature. No need to work around every time clicking the same things again and again. So this is the pin tab feature, very pretty feature. And you can unpin the same thing. Means if the same example I can give you, if the 5-day test match is over, you can unpin this tab. So there is no need to go to the same page again and again automatically after match is finished, 5 days test match is finished. So this is the really cool feature that you can use on everyday day-to-day basis in office or home or anywhere else. So this is all about the pin tab feature in Chrome browser. I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. So goodbye till the next tutorial. Very goodbye.